Clockify Time Tracker tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can use Clockify to track your time like a pro. So let's get started. What you have to do is just come to clockify.me and /log in and you will land on this page. What you have to do is just simply, log in with your email address and set up a password. So I have already signed up for Clockify, so I will just go to the dashboard. So this is what the dashboard of Clockify looks like. Clockify is a time tracking software which is one of the very easiest and very famous time tracking software actually, and it's very beginners friendly and super easy to use. So let's just jump into Clockify. So what happens is that you will see the option of what have you worked on right here, and what happens is you simply click right here and add the task that you want to work on or you are working on. So you just add the task name, and then we will add a project, and then we will add the timing details and add this project right away, and it will start counting the time, tracking the time. So let's just add a name right here, maybe task 1. After that there is a option of add project. So if I have a project, for example a project has 3 tasks, so I will have an idea that this 3 tasks are related to this project. I can just create a project, and then that project can have as many tasks as I want to add into it. So I will add a new project right here. Let's create a new project. So this is how you create a new project. What happens is enter the name of the project. Let's just say that this project is called video editing. After that I can actually give it a color just to get more organized. Different tasks, different projects can have different colors. So let's just give it a purple color. Then there is an option of public or private. Now if I keep it public, that means that any person who has access to my Clockify, whom I will share this to, will be able to see my project. But if I do not select public, that means that the only client that I am selecting, only that client can see this project, will be able to watch this project or edit it, or it could be me or the assignee that I have assigned this project to. So this is how it works on Clockify. So I'm gonna keep it a public, or maybe let's not keep it public and add a client. So to add a client or just select a client, what happens is you can just simply select right here, and I'm gonna select the name and enter right here. There you go. A new client has been added and no template. Now there is an option on Clockify that you can use a template for your different projects, and this option is actually available for the upgrade. If you will upgrade to Clockify plan, you will be able to avail this option as well. But for for a basic use, it's okay if you do not use template. Templates is just for the creative purpose, or to make your Clockify more creative and to make it look more professional or beautiful. So it's okay if you do not have a template, but if you like a template, you would just have to upgrade to the plan, buy a plan, and then you will be able to avail it. So for now I'm just gonna click on create, and my project has been created. You can see video editing, and the client is called Anna. Now the tag, I can actually create a new tag if I want to. Now tag is different than project. Now I can have more than one project within a tag. So tag is kind of, or maybe I can have similar tasks that have same tag, but they have different projects. So tag works different, and I can have as many tags as I want to. I have created a tag which is called YouTube videos, and this video editing is for YouTube. So I'm gonna select this tag, so I have an idea that this is the tag under which I have a project called video editing, and that project has a task which is called task 1. So after that, if these are billable hours, so I will click on billable. If I click on non-billable, if it's an hour or work that is non-billable, for example, I have already been paid, or I will be paid at the end of the month, or when you have so many tasks, for example, I only have one task right here. So when you have many tasks, for example, you had 10 tasks right here, you will have an idea that the task with blue dollar sign are billable, and you will get an idea right away that these are the different tasks that are billable, and maybe some of the tasks are non-billable. So I will have an idea right away just looking at this dollar sign. So just to make it billable, you click on it and it turns blue, which means it is billable. And if it's gray, that means it's non-billable. After that, I'm going to add the time. So I can add, you can see if I have days, for example, the deadline is on days. So I can just select any day. For example, if I select tomorrow's date, that means that it has 24 hours. If I select the 2 days, if I want to select 5 days, I can just select the date. If I want to go for hours, I will select the same date, but the hours will be changed to right here. For example, this task is maybe just 15-minute task. So I will just simply click, there you go. And now what's going to happen is, it's actually 3. So what happens is you can see this is just a 15-minute. And once I have done this, all I have to do is click on add. So when I click on add, now my task has been created. And what's going to happen is you will see right here that this is a 15-minute task, and I can just simply click right here. And now my time has been started tracking, and you will see if I want to stop it, you will see the option of stop right here and it will be stopped. And you will see the time right here that it is saying 13 seconds, 14 seconds, and now the time is just, tracking. It's super easy, right? So I'm just gonna, stop it for now. And when I stop it, you will see the time right here that this was the time. It is just 21 seconds. After that, let's go to calendar. Now, this is a good option that Clockify actually provides. What happens on calendar view is that I will have an idea which hour of the day I worked, and I will have an idea right here on the calendar view. This is pretty good option actually. Most of the time tracking software, they do not have the calendar option, but Clockify has it, so it's super easy. If I want to add a task, I will just simply click right here. So you will see if I want to check the teammates, for example, I want to check which teammate is active, I can just, go ahead and do that. If I want to get a this week view, I'm actually right now getting the view of this week. If I want to get the view of last week, I will select last week, and I will have an idea that how much I spent time on Clockify or on a certain task last week. Then there is an option of dashboard, and dashboard is a simple dashboard where you will see the analytics for your time tracking. So in the dashboard, you will see that this is a dashboard for my recent task that I have selected, and this is the dashboard for that task. So what happens is that you will see the total time right here, the top project, top client right here, and you will get a chart view right here, a graph, then a pie graph right here, and you will have an idea that how much you have done and how much of it is to be done. Or so it's super easy. You will have an idea, or you will see the dates right here, the time is shown right here, and you can just get an idea that how your task is doing. You will see the project right here, billability, if you want to check that how much was the task billable and how much you are going to be charged. Or you can see that now I'm working hourly, right? So it is 0% billable because I have not worked an hour, and the amount you will select will be shown right here. So this is actually a pretty good option that Clockify has, that it allows you to check your dashboard according to your billability as well. So this is pretty good, and this is only me option right here. If I want to check the team, how the team is doing, I will select the option team right here, and I will be able to check how each member of the team has done this week. There is an option of reports, and in reports, this is similar to the dashboard idea, but here you will actually, in the dashboard, you were able to check out a dashboard for a one task, but in the report option, you will actually see all of your tasks, and you can filter them by their status, task, project, client name, or team name. Then there's an option of projects where you will be able to see all of your projects, and you can filter them by client name access, and if their activity and billability. After that, there is a team option where you can add new members to your team. You simply click on add new member. You just add their email address and you click on add, and your new team member is added to your team. Then if you want to add a new client, what you do is you click on add and you simply click on add, and you can add new client right here. So after that, if you want to add a client's name, you can just simply go ahead and edit them. After that, I will just simply click on save. After that, there's an option of tags where you will be able to see all of your different tags that you created, and you will see them right here. If I want to edit a tag, I will click right here. If I want to delete it, I will click right here, and I can archive it or delete it as well. Then there is an option of settings. So this is how you basically use Clockify. I showed you around all of the different features of Clockify. Super easy to use, very beginners friendly, and once you get familiar with Clockify, you will be able to track your time like a pro. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.